I'm going to show you how you can claim the 7 days free trial on CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So a lot of people don't know about this, but there is currently a free trial available on CapCut. But in my case, for example, when I open the desktop application, it doesn't appear. So to claim it, you need to go to CapCut.com and log into your CapCut account. So once you are here, you can go to the top right, and then you will see Pro get 7-day free trial. So you can click here and choose any plan, and it will load. And as you can see, if I go right here, you will be charged starting on this is March, which is in a month. So if this option doesn't appear on the desktop application, you should try on the website. And if not, you can try using a VPN, because this is only available in some countries. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.